Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of squats. A powerful exercise that can transform your lower body and enhance your overall fitness. Whether you're a beginner or looking to take your squat game to the next level, this comprehensive guide has got you covered. So, let's get started and discover the incredible benefits of squats. Let's begin by exploring the numerous benefits of incorporating squats into your fitness routine. 1. Leg and glute development. Squats are renowned for their ability to strengthen and develop the muscles in your legs and glutes. By performing squats regularly, you'll notice improvements in muscle tone, strength, and overall lower body aesthetics. 2. Functional movement. Squats mimic everyday movements such as sitting down, standing up, and bending down. By practicing squats, you enhance your functional movement patterns, making daily activities easier and improving your overall mobility and flexibility. 3. Core strength and stability. Did you know that squats engage your core muscles? By keeping your core tight and engaged during squats, you strengthen your abdominal muscles and lower back, leading to improved stability and better posture. 4. Calorie burning and metabolism boost. Squats are a compound exercise that engages multiple muscle groups. This means they burn more calories compared to isolation exercises. Incorporating squats into your workout routine can help you burn calories, support weight loss goals, and boost your metabolism. Now, let's dive into the proper technique and form for performing squats. Form breakdown: the perfect squat. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes slightly turned out. Keeping your chest up and your gaze forward, lower your body by pushing your hips back and bending your knees. Go as low as you can while maintaining proper form, making sure your knees track in line with your toes. Finally, push through your heels to rise back up to the starting position. Remember to keep your core engaged and breathe throughout the movement. Squats offer a wide range of variations to suit different fitness levels and goals. Let's explore a few popular variations. 1. Bodyweight squats. Bodyweight squats are an excellent starting point for beginners. Focus on perfecting your form and gradually increasing the number of repetitions. 2. Goblet squats. Goblet squats involve holding a dumbbell or kettlebell close to your chest while performing the squat. This variation adds resistance and challenges your muscles in a slightly different way. 3. Barbell back squats. Barbell back squats are a more advanced variation that requires a barbell placed on your upper back. This variation allows you to lift heavier weights and further develop your leg and core strength. 4. Bulgarian split squats. Bulgarian split squats target each leg individually, helping to correct muscle imbalances and develop unilateral leg strength. Place one foot on a bench or step behind you, and perform squats with the other leg. Here are some important tips to ensure you execute squats safely and effectively. 1. Warm-up and mobility exercises. Before performing squats, warm up your body with some light cardio and dynamic stretches. Additionally, incorporate mobility exercises to prepare your joints and muscles for the movement. 2. Proper breathing. When performing squats, remember to breathe properly. Inhale deeply before descending into the squat and exhale as you push through your heels to rise back up. This helps stabilize your core and provides oxygen to your muscles. 3. Keep proper alignment. Maintain proper alignment throughout the squat. Keep your chest up, shoulders back, and avoid rounding your lower back. Also, ensure your knees are tracking in line with your toes to prevent unnecessary strain. 4. Gradual progression. Progress gradually with your squat routine. Start with bodyweight squats and gradually add resistance or try more challenging variations as your strength and technique improve. Let's discuss some common mistakes to avoid and tips to prevent injuries while performing squats. 1. Knee overextension. Avoid allowing your knees to extend past your toes during squats. This puts excessive stress on your knee joints. Instead, focus on pushing your hips back and maintaining a vertical shin position. 2. Arching or rounding the lower back. Maintaining a neutral spine is crucial during squats. Avoid excessive arching or rounding of your lower back to prevent strain or injury. Engage your core muscles to support your spine throughout the movement. 3. Rushing the movement. Take your time and perform squats with control. Avoid rushing or bouncing at the bottom of the squat. Instead, aim for a smooth and controlled movement, focusing on proper form and muscle engagement. Now, let's discuss how to design an effective squat workout routine. Routine structure: sets, repetitions, and rest. Start with a comfortable number of repetitions and aim to perform 3 to 5 sets of squats, resting for 60 to 90 seconds between sets. As you progress, gradually increase the number of repetitions or sets for a more challenging workout. Progression and variation. To continue challenging your muscles and preventing plateaus, gradually increase the difficulty of your squats. This can include adding resistance with weights, trying different squat variations, or incorporating plyometric squats for explosive power. Congratulations! You've now learned about the amazing benefits of squats, proper technique and form, variations for different fitness levels, and important tips to prevent injuries. Remember, consistency and proper form are key to getting the most out of your squats. Start with bodyweight squats and progress at your own pace. With dedication and perseverance, you'll witness incredible improvements in your lower body strength, stability, and overall fitness. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and workouts. And as always, consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise program. Keep squatting and stay fit. Until next time.